Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agrawal, and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel. Gardening is my passion. Today, friends, I am telling you all the caring tips, A to Z caring tips of Chrysanthemum or guldaudi. Many of the viewers and subscribers have requested me that please make a video in single video how you can take care of all this. This kind of small cuttings you can buy from any of the nurseries and keep it in sand, and these are the all roots. If the roots are coming out, then they are ready for transplantation in 3-inch pot. So you have to transplant in 3-inch pot and in 20% compost, 80% garden soil, and after 15 days these are the situation of these plants. Now these are the here 2 to 3 branches are coming out, and this time you have to pinch off the tip of these plants. You see here in 3-inch pot that how I am doing this. This is only the 2 leaves, the top 2 leaves. You have to pinch off with the help of your nail, and new branches will come out from the base, or they will be little bit of bushy. So this is the first step what you have to do now. Now I'll tell you the pinching off is the basic necessary things for growing chrysanthemum, because you need lots of branches. Here the plants are transplanted already in 5-inch pot, and you have to transplant it in 8-inch or 10-inch final pot. Here you see lots of branches have come out here, and I tell you this is here 8 or 10. Here are 10 branches are coming out here, and 2 to 3 times already have pinched off, and now they are ready to be transplanted in 8-inch pot. And wherever you see any of the fungal attack leaves, you have to just remove it, because they will infect the rest of the leaves, and if they are infected by this fungus, all your plants may die. So this is the condition. Now I am transplanting in 8-inch pot. If you want, you can transplant in 10-inch pot. And also, and I am telling you the soil mix, the actual soil mix from here, and to make them more and more bushy, you get lots of branches here. You take around 8-inch or 10-inch pot. Here you see 2 drainage holes are here. I am covering with the broken pieces of this earthen pot here to cover it in order to prevent all the soil from coming out from the bottom hole. So now I am telling you what should be the actual soil mix for this composition. You take 60% garden soil here, and in that mix around 30% vermicompost or cow dung compost, whatever available in your market area. Mix around 30% compost and 10% mixture fertilizer that I have prepared around 10 to 15 days back. This is the mixture fertilizer here. Some of the vermicompost is there, cow dung master cake powder is there, and super phosphate, supola, NPK. These kinds of things, all are things are mixed up, watered it properly, sprinkled water here, and after 7 or 8 days again reshuffle it and again water it properly, and after 10 to 15 days they are prepared. So this is the here 10% I am taking this super fertilizer for this mixture, and this is the best mixture for this, and I'll tell you how to transplant them. And this is the best soil mix for chrysanthemum for final potting mix. And if you want, you can change the mixture also, but this one is the tested method. And here I am filling up around 3 inch of the pot here, and transplanting the plants from here. You see around 8 to 10 branches are here, and transplanting whole the root ball. You see all the root ball is covered with the roots here, and just remove little bit of soil from here, and I'll be this is the all fungal attack leaves. You have to remove time to time. You have to apply fungicide time to time. Every 10 days you have to apply fungicide, else what will happen, the fungus will infect lots of these plants. So now I am putting this plant at the center and cover it with the same soil mix around the soil. This is the final potting mix, and now on we will be using some fertilizer, special fertilizer for this chrysanthemum, and special fertilizer for this chrysanthemum is special doses. I tell you, after putting it properly, the plant, tap with your hand properly and set the plant. Now water the plant, sprinkle water, keep it in for 1 or 2 days in semi-shade area. Then you can take out in full sunlight. They need sunlight, proper sunlight. They need airflow. They need sunlight, full sunlight. Now I tell you the actual staple food here. This is the mustard cake powder, and take around 50 gram of mustard cake powder or mustard cake also we do. So master cake or mustard cake, whatever you have available, you just take 50 gram of it, mix it in 1 liter of water, ferment it for 4 days. After 4 days, mix another 4 liter of water to make it 1% solution, very diluted solution, or add 10 liter of solution to make 0.5% solution, and apply it every 15 days. You have to apply every 15 days, and before you apply that, 1 day earlier you have to dry it out the soil, and then in after 1 day you have to apply 100 to 200 ml of this solution. Here instead of water you can apply in that day, apply this, and these are the all the branches. And after 2 to 3 days I will be pinching off again here. Today I am showing you, but don't do it in the day of transplantation. After 2 to 3 days of transplantation, pinch it off again, and you have to pinch up to 15th November. So after 15th, because I telling you, because at that time the buds will start emerging. So these are the, and where from you are pinching up, all the new branches will come out, and you can see lots of branches with the full system. And now I tell you some other things. If you want to apply dried food, you can use this neem mustard cake powder, 70% mustard cake powder and 30% NPK Sokola 10 26 26 or any 20 20 20 you can add. Mix it 70 to 30 ratio, 7 to 3 ratio, and add around only 5 gram, 1 teaspoonful in one side of the one corner of the pot, and water it properly, and all the nutrients will go down to the roots of the soil. And please apply the any fertilizer you apply, just apply at the sides of this pot. Don't apply in the corners of the pot, don't apply at the base of the plants, because they may harm the roots. So you have to apply, this is the main method of applying fertilizer. And two caring tips are very needed. One thing is they are prone to fungal attack. In that case you have to apply sharp fungicide 2 gram per liter. Apply every 10 days. You have to sprinkle, and you have to spray this fungicide every 10 days. And another thing is they are prone to attack of the insects. In that case you can apply Marshal, this is a carbosulfan, or you can apply any other kind of insecticide, maybe Hamla. This is cypermethrin chloropyrifos mixture 1 ml per liter every 10 days. Or if you have another imidacloprid, maybe Confidel Plus, or if you have Rogor, that also you can spray 1 ml per liter once in every 10 days, and your plants will be heavy, beautiful, and you will see around at least 60 to 70 branches will come out, and you can get at least 400, 500, 700, 800 flowers in this time. And this is late, but still you can do it, and you can transplant it in final pot. And this is the main method of growing and caring of this chrysanthemum. So this is the all method. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have to like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you want to share, please share with your near and dear ones. If you are very new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, because I am going to give you a lot about the gardening tips and tricks and all. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice of you.